So the story goes is that I was taking the garbage cans down the hill one night. It was garbage night, and I came back in the house, and after about a half an hour, I started whiffing a familiar smell. And I thought, wow, I wonder if we could detect a dog, but only when it's doing this thing that it shouldn't be doing. I'm Chris Miller, and I invented the Poopinator. So the Poopinator is a computer-controlled camera that uses a machine learning algorithm to be able to detect dogs that are pooping on your lawn and to send a message to another device to correct that behavior. And our favorite way to do that is to turn on your sprinklers. Full disclosure, I am a dog person. We were offered this puppy, and his name was Porter. He ran in the door and jumped in my lap, and the rest is history. So once I was armed with this crazy idea, I went to work where I own a consulting company, and I solicited one of our engineers, Ben, to take over the process of building a model.
Yeah, so the first thing we needed was a data set.
What a great project, but I'm sure he'd tell his friends, oh, my boss had me train a computer model to detect pooping dogs today. I think that's the definition of a dream job.
Surprisingly or unsurprisingly, there are a ton of pictures of dogs doing their business on the internet.
So we were able to use publicly sourced images to build the model entirely. And it's not just pooping dogs. We have to have a data set of dogs that are not pooping so that the machine can understand the difference between a dog and a dog that's pooping. It's very important. We went through the process of deploying this into the Deep Lens device, and had a friend of mine in the business community stop by one day, and I told him what we were up to.
And I just happened to get up on the wrong side of the bed or something because I was ranting.
He has a neighbor that is not too conscientious with where his dog goes and does his business, and it's become a little bit of a rivalry that might resemble Caddyshack and Bill Murray with the gopher. You don't remember that?
I don't know if I even watched Caddyshack.
Really?
I'm sorry.
Oh, that'll come back to bite you later. When you deploy a model out into a Deep Lens device, which is referred to as machine learning on the edge, that device has to take each frame and then run it through the algorithm to determine if it's got a match. Once it detects that object, then you can send messages up to the cloud. We have our Arduino devices listening to those MQTT messages, and when a pooping dog is detected, then the Arduino device knows that it needs to turn on the relay, and that's what turns on the sprinklers. I've had ideas for inventions ever since I was a kid. I remember just laying awake at night, inventing things that would never work, but nonetheless inventing. And it's fun just getting other people excited about it too and pulling them into my obsession.